how to create a Maelstrom effect such as this in Photoshop. Now this uses an image that was created in a previous video, so please check that out. Now in this case it's just a grayscale PSD file, using it for displacements and textures. But what you can do, you can go to Image and Adjustments and you can add some colour to it. Just quickly go here and you've got Colorize. It's one of the quickest, easy ways. You could use a layer, that's another option, just to plot on top. Maybe use blending. And I'm going to go for blue. And you can change the saturation. So Command J or Control J. I want to distort it. A really good way of doing it, you could use Wave, Filter, but Liquify. So go to Filter, make certain the layer is selected. So Filter and Liquify. And make certain you've got the size, forward warp. You can use any of them, of course. But make certain pin edges on and then distort the image. Now the key thing is just make certain you don't miss any areas. Just distort the whole thing. Otherwise, because I'm going to use blending mode of difference in a few seconds, you'll notice that you get black patches there. And click OK. Now at this point, of course, you can't see the underlying layer. But you can go over here, normal, and you can run through. You can say lighten. Lighten is effective as well. I think that's a great little effect. But you can go for difference. And that's the reason that sometimes you get this black area over here. You can also, of course, change the colour of this design. This layer, just go to Image, Adjustments, and Hue and Saturation, and do the same as before. Go to Colorize, but this time maybe go for, and you can run through them. You can see because you've got difference there. Maybe I'm just going to go with the red. Click OK. So you've got this lovely distorted design. And now you can go over here and you can say Layer and Flatten Image. Now at the moment it doesn't look particularly great, but what you can do is go to Filter and Stylize and Oil Paint, and then set these to the max and click OK. And you can see you've got this lovely distorted design. Well, you can also apply again. So any of these filters can be applied multiple times. So Filter on Oil Paint, go to Adjustments, so Image Menu, Adjustments, and go down to Levels. Or you could use Auto Tone, and I'm just going to tweak it and just drag this input levels, drag that to the left and drag the mid to the right, and then click OK. Personally, I think it needs just a little bit more of a touch of Image Adjustments and Vibrance. Just push that up so you can get a real nice colourful design there. Now you can repeat this. So you could take this image and again, do exactly the same. Command or Control J, duplicate layer, go to Filter and Liquify, modify again, go with blending mode of difference or lighten, etc. Or maybe apply another effect. So Filter and Blurs and Gaussian Blur, say. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions? Please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. I've got lots of videos about the Liquify filter, as well as Vibrance and many other filter effects in Photoshop. Please subscribe. Always adding new videos all the time. Also a like or dislike. Always appreciated. Thank you much.